Guys, I'm just thinking, hi, I'm just thinking about my bank here. It's the ants going inside here, and I am putting the money paper here. I don't know, maybe they finish it. I put the coins and the paper, the and the ants is inside there. Oh my gosh. So much ants inside. I hope the paper is still alive. Or maybe they eat the paper, no? So see, oh, they are a lot. They are a lot, guys. It's a lot of ants living in my living in my bag. My gosh. Oh, I hope they did not eat the paper money. Oh my gosh. So I am going to deposit so I can have there. I hope the ant did not eat my my paper money. So it's lovable, girl. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Ay,